Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use navigation in your Mazda CX-5. We'll cover everything from entering destinations to customizing your display, ensuring you can confidently reach any location. Get ready to master your vehicle's built-in navigation system with ease and efficiency. You'll learn to input addresses, use voice commands, and adjust settings for a personalized driving experience. Let's get started. To begin, access the navigation system by pressing the dedicated navigation button or selecting navigation from the home screen using the Commander control knob. Then, choose Set Destination to input your desired location. You can enter a street address, city, or a point of interest. Once entered, confirm your selection, and the system will calculate the best route for you, providing clear guidance to your destination. For hands-free operation, press the talk button on your steering wheel to activate voice command. After the prompt, clearly state your destination, such as navigate to home or find nearest coffee shop. The system will process your request and initiate route guidance. You can also access real-time traffic information and explore alternative routes to avoid delays, enhancing your driving experience. Personalize your navigation experience by adjusting display settings. You can switch between a two-dimensional or three-dimensional map view for optimal clarity. Easily customize audio prompts and their volume to suit your preferences. Additionally, save frequently visited places, like your home or office, as favorites for quick access. This allows for a more convenient and tailored navigation experience every time you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.